All right, this isn't normally what I do, but I've always wanted to check this caboose out. Check this out. It's pretty darn cool. I like this old train stuff. Always have. It's probably got wasps in it somewhere. I'll probably find them. Yeah, check that out. That's pretty darn cool. I guess they got power going into it. Looks like it's about time to repaint it. A 12-volt system. Huh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Always wanted to go on one of these. Well, today's the day. Check that out. Yeah, it looks like it's all original basically. Window's a little dirty. Check that out. Pretty cool. I've got some of them old railroad lanterns that they would have used on the railroad. Yeah, it's down here in Big Sandy, Tennessee. I come down here to drop my orders off every day, and I've always wanted to walk over here and look at that. Pretty neat.